the FATF travel rules here in the UAE. That means businesses have to know where the crypto is going to and where it's coming from. Game over. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. You know how I do. 5x5 here in Dubai. I hope you're doing well. I know you're scared of governments destroying crypto. They can control everything. They're the masters of the universe. Heck, they can even control the physics, the laws of physics, and change the gravitational constant. Oh wait, they can't. So yeah. All right, we're going to be talking about that and what the governments are up to in order to prevent you from using crypto, because they know that it is a replacement to their fiat money, which, hey, if you're a government and you can print money for free, you don't want anything to compete with that, right? So yeah, you see the logic of that. You think the governments can stop it, but they can't, any more than they can stop books from being distributed. So this is one of the news articles we're going to be talking about today, and we're also going to be doing some trading at the end of the show. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's get to it. All right. So if you're interested in trading, you can trade at bybit.davincij15.com. Links is in the description below. Also, 2bit.davincij15.com is a nice exchange that you might want to use. Okay. Yes, I just recently updated the roadmap for DAVITAR. So head over there if you're interested to check out the roadmap for DAVITAR. And let's get on with the news. Malicious script in Google and X stole 58 million in crypto from 63,000 users. Okay, so whenever you see an ad, just assume that it's a scam when it comes to crypto. What they did was they just created an ad and then, they stole some crypto. And yeah, it's pretty bad. So don't connect your wallet to anything, right? Unless it's something that, a project that, one of the major KOLs, such as myself, know about, right? So OpenSea is the place that you can connect your wallet. Same with Magic Eating. But, there's lots of other ones that we can mention. But do not connect your wallet unless somebody else that that you trust, that talks about crypto, it lets you know that, hey, yeah, that's a safe place to go. If you don't know that, if nobody's talking about it, don't do it. Don't connect your wallet, period. Just don't do it. Okay. Bitcoin inscriptions frenzy hit EVM blockchains. Okay. Wow. So apparently, a summary of Arbitrum outages and high Ethereum gas prices. People are spamming the inscription transactions on Arbitrum. These are transactions that submit hex data, on-chain images, and metadata mostly. Okay, so ever since the inscriptions on Bitcoin, right? Inscriptions is basically a storing data, large amounts of data. You can store up to the full block size of data on the Bitcoin blockchain, and same with EVM chains such as Ethereum. Let's see here, Polygon, Matic, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, basically people are able to store data on a chain. Now, this is not something that you should worry about. Honestly, any kind of outages and stuff like that, there really shouldn't be a reason why they're having outages, though. But they'll fix it, and they shouldn't stop people from storing the data. If you store the data and pay for it, right? There should be a charge for that, and if you pay for it, then that's it. That you're allowed to store it there. Now, the free market will decide and end this situation. We'll fix this problem once and for all. So don't. I don't think they should change anything. Okay, the UAE imposes FATF crypto travel rule. What is that? The travel rule. Basically, the rule is designed to prevent money laundering and terrorist finances while ensuring compliance with AML policies by requiring virtual assets services providers, VASPS, to clearly identify the origins and destinations of crypto transactions above a given jurisdiction's set threshold. So they decide the specific area decides a threshold of, okay, wait a second, you are sending $1 million of crypto anywhere, you need to know who it is coming from and where it's going to. They can set that threshold. Now, of course, Europe has set that threshold to $1,000 or actually 1,000 euros. But yes, it doesn't matter. You know, people can create businesses irregardless of whether or not you register with the government. Just do it. It's useless to register the fact that you want to create a business with the government and you just do it and then you ask permission. You ask for forgiveness later. That's how you should get it done. Okay. Looking at Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin has been like, you know, choppy, but there's a clear, now we have a clear floor for Bitcoin. If we break the floor, which is the $43,370, which is, I moved it, of course, I moved it away from the 43.7-ish area because it just created a new floor, and you can see that it matches up with, you know, all the previous highs where it reversed on us. But so we are looking for a new breakout level, and it's pretty much clear where that breakout level is as well. You can see it is approximately the 44,200-ish area. So once we break it out of that, we could see this thing head all the way to the 45 and even as high as the $47,000 mark. De La Soul. Before I close off, I'm gonna just get into De La Soul. Listen, people, if you've watched my TikToks, I've been like, you know, telling the kids, hey, yeah, De La Soul was going to come back down to $20. Nobody believed that. And then I said it was going to go to $100. They didn't believe that. And so you should not be buying here. You should not be trading here. You should be taking profits now. It's over. Can it go higher? Can it go to the 135? Yes. But you're not a professional trader, so do not. You leave the other 10% for the rest of the people. Do not try to collect on that. Can it? Can you? Yes, you can, but you'll probably end up losing your short shirt. So to make sure you start taking profits if you've purchased Solana down in the $20 range. Okay, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. I want you to know that I will not be doing a show on Christmas or on Boxing Day. So I will be doing one for tomorrow, but that will be probably the last show. And yeah, I will see you guys on Wednesday, right? Both here and on the Moon Show. So make sure you tune in there as well. Take it easy and have a nice, happy holidays. Cheers.